Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. Today I have another IBY Beauty unboxing, except this is my ambassador welcome PR box. So if you guys want to see what is inside, thank you for watching. If you remember my last IBY Beauty haul, I'll link that down below, but I am a ambassador with them and I do have a 25% off coupon code with them. So if you guys want to use it, it is Kristen25. It'll be on here and all the info will be down below as well. IBY Beauty is a super affordable makeup brand. They make amazing makeup, and their highlight is what I'm wearing right now, and it is my favorite. They have it really packed. Oh my gosh, I had such a bad day today, so I'm really excited to be opening this. So first up are these two lip locked, and I think these are lip crayons. So these lip locked are crayons. So this is the shade Prom King, I think it's called. Yes, Prom King. This is a really nice red orange. And then the second one is in the shade 213. The shade 203, it's a nudie color. Oh my god, and this might be a nude. That looks good on me. Next are two glossed lip, and these are lip toppers. First is this shade Caramel. This is like a gold. This with this. Really pretty combo. Then we have Cinnabunny, which this one's almost like a coppery, very sparkly. Ooh. This on top of this as well, or on its own. This is almost like an iridescent. I don't know what kind of color this is because in person it's looking pinky, but on camera it's looking coppery. Next up is this little eyeshadow brush, and I got two Carry On 2 Duo eyeshadow. This is in Bon Voyage and Arbage. I don't know, but this is Bon Voyage, and then this is that A word I can't say. The second one is in First Class and Glamping. So this first shade is First Class, and then this is Glamping. And I got three of their highlighters, which I love their highlighters if you remember from the first haul. This first one is in the shade Prosecco, and I actually really wanted this one in my haul and it was sold out, so I'm really excited to get it this time. Next up is 24 Karat Magic. This looks absolutely gorgeous. And last is their new highlighter in the shade Maldives, which is absolutely gorgeous. And last we got 5 of their Lush eyeshadows. 4 are from the City Limits palette, and then 1 is from the Poolside, so I'm going to open Poolside first. The shade Get Soaked from Poolside. Next up we have Silent Disco from City Limits palette. Next is Fire and Ice, Dance Party, and last we have VIP. And that is everything that IBY sent me in their brand ambassador box. Thank you so much for sending me this. This seriously made my day. Like I said, I had a horrible day at work today, so this really made my day. If you guys want to check out IBY Beauty, I'll have every product mentioned down below in the description box, and my coupon code is Kristen25, so make sure you use that. If you guys want product reviews on anything, let me know in the comments down below. I kind of want to do a IBY highlighter swatch video, so let me know if you guys want to see that, because I have a lot of their highlights and they're really good. And I think you guys would like them, so I think you should check them out. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Follow me on all my social media, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!